All right, we're here in Vegas. But what's missing? That's right. It's Vegas Best Ideas is missing. Hurry up. Get here. We are waiting. We're not leaving this spot till you get here. Unless, well, I'm in this.
I gotta pee.
Brandon, you can't pee. Gord's gonna wear his G-string for us.
Oh, I'm already wearing mine.
Just at Howlapalooza for Jason and Brandon from Lucky Dog Slots. This is their awesome suite. They're the best hosts, but unfortunately the party got shut down by Cosmo, so we're all pretty disappointed in that, but not sure what happened there, but hopefully Cosmo will make it right, because we all really have been big supporters of them, especially Lucky Dog. Sadly, we're taking down stuff because Glow Party got shut down here at the Cosmo.
I'll get on top of it. Even though we have permission. I'll be like, shame on you.
Yeah, not good. Look at all this amazing food that they had for us all to eat. And check out all the booze. Mavastro.
Is that me? No, that's not me.
Sorry.
I can't do the high stuff.
And check out that tequila bottle. And look at these 99 pineapples. There's enough for one of each of us.
I don't know what the hell.
What?
I know. And look at these cool glow cups they had. And Cosmo wrecked it all. So disappointed in you, Cosmo. Very disappointed. But Lucky Dog sure knows how to throw a party. They're awesome hosts, and this is a really cool setup ad for us. Little stuff for us all to wear. Rockin' Vegas doggy style. Howlapalooza. Yeah.
Oh, there's everybody's stuff.
We gave us all gift bags. So awesome, but darn, sucks we gotta shut down. Happening, G.
Well, since the party shut down, I thought I'd just go out to the balcony here and have a nice bath, fireball bath.
Okay. You have fun. Are you gonna take Jason and Brandon with you? Apparently, we're doing a mystery shot, or I'm gonna watch them because I'm too scared to do this.
Those would be easier to measure, probably.
Kino literally doesn't know what the hell this is.
Here, I'll pour it in here.
And he's been waiting to do this with Seeking Vegas Sunrise for some reason.
Take my phone. Because this is some epic shit. I've been waiting a year for this, okay?
A little.
Mystery alcohol.
Big
It
mystery
really
alcohol
is.
Here, yeah.
So, the Canadians like to bring us their Thrills gum. Well, here in America, in real America, the heartland, Chicago,
Gord.
we make Malort. So we're going to get the Canadians back tonight.
Gord
It's
can
over.
take 2 for the team
Gord,
for me.
You're taking 2 for the team tonight, buddy.
Sure. How about 3?
Oh, about 3.
Yeah, you can sure.
I told
Here,
you
take
the
one. Me too,
Canadians
that's true.
can.
Yeah, you can take your 3. Good idea.
Don't you guys remember Gord last time? He doesn't even act like he's drunk.
No. Quite the
I'm
cups you
scared what this is. Yeah, those are sweet cups.
Yep.
I love them.
Joey's really into the net liquors.
got. How many shots do we need?
Liqueurs, that's right.
This is literally the,
My wife was
yeah. Yeah. I had to have moonshine at breakfast with his dad.
There you go.
Yeah. And I passed.
Burns a little bit out.
Oh, I used to drink vodka straight, guys.
There you go.
I'm
I'm
fine.
not sure I trust Kino's
But
I used to drink vodka straight too. Now I drink vodka pot.
Anthony,
Anthony, you guys
this was your idea.
Are you the one that brought this? Or there might be 2 cups. Is there 2 cups?
Oh my god.
Double cup and
Or you don't want 1 cup, what's just the 2?
He's doing my share.
I'm not recording.
I feel like this is some like weird like
This is a cult
I know, I feel like yeah, and we're all out in the dark here.
Wait a second. Heck isn't like
Look at your drink. You haven't even drank it yet.
Oh! You're leaking!
I told you guys mine was leaking.
Investor just lost all of his. You're okay. Don't pour them back in.
No, see, this is
And what's in your cup, Gord?
I got 4 confetti in my drink. I'm not drinking that.
Yes, you should. It's more festive.
I'll be the lighting guy for once. Okay, we're doing some weird initiation Vegas vloggers thing here with some mystery alcohol.
I've been recording for
Alright, cheers guys.
Look at Malort. See, this is the longest shot ever.
Yeah, it really is.
Hold on, wait, it's pouring something out. Alright, guys. To finally trying Malort, thank you, Seeking Vegas Sunrise, for bringing this joy to all of us. Thank you. Let's shut it down.
Look
guys.
each other in the eyes.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Let's go.
You should say thank you now though, let's be honest.
It's right in gulp.
Yeah, have fun guys.
Okay, show me that container again. Let's see
That's how the
that.
hangover started. That's good. Oh,
This is what they drink.
Nobody's looking. Nobody's looking.
Do you not like it?
Let me spit this up.
It's gonna have like 3 shots for me.
Let's go to Olia.
I've never seen a bottle
This
go this
motherfucker's gonna eat through it.
That's good.
Hey, guys, back to you.
Yeah, we
Anybody
are.
got a litter box I can get the taste out of my mouth?
Litter box.
Dirty ashtray, maybe? Yeah. Dirty ashtray?
Take another one. Hey, babe.
Hey,
Babe, Steve.
I just unsubscribed.
Seeking Vegas Sunrise. Here.
I love you. Yeah, let's go.
Gordon's the only one asking for a second one. I'll take one for the team.
Good job,
From
guys.
USA to Canada, baby.
There we go.
But to be honest though, it really kind of tastes like the really bitter grapefruit jam.
This is the late night walk from Cosmo to Aria with G and the Kinos, Seeking Vegas Sunrise, and Anthony somewhere back there in the epic desk.
I just came from an 8th grade birthday party.
We all did.
Yeah, they got their little backpacks, all 3 of these guys. Matching backpacks. And we're going to the Aria to hang out here instead, I guess. Check how busy it is in here. The lineup to get into the club is lined up around the building.
Rumors are true. Vegas is back.
The rumors are true, yes, Vegas is back. It is crazy busy, guys. This line goes all the way back here. Insane. Look at it, it goes way back there. Very rare thing in Vegas. Floor 13. Which hotel are we at? Does anybody know?
In purple.
Lucky Dog is doing their live stream for Howlapalooza right now. There's a lot of us here, about at least I'd say 30 of us. I think they're doing pretty good. They're doing $100 group pulls, so. She's doing some spins for Jay from the Slot Freaks. Hopefully he can give him some good luck.
Come on, baby. All right, Gord, you're looking for that major. Come on, you brought that Canadian luck with you. Come on.
Yeah, we're supposed to hit up.
Do it.
Oh! Yes!
He's easing like crazy.
They just got
Let's go, Gord! Last spin! Last spin for her, we're gonna keep going. That's all right.
Nice try.
Tamara, jump in here.
Oh boy.
Let's go.
Lady of the hour. There we go. Tamara's gonna jump on the wheel. There's NES. What's up, NES? Shout out to your piece back home.
Let's go. Everybody watching back in Boston tomorrow at 3:30 our time here in Vegas. 6:30 I'm taking over his channel.
Channel takeover.
We're going down to the Sahara for $1,500 swap pulls.
Tomorrow night.
Make sure that you're there on his channel.
Keep the bells on, notifications
Let's go.
on. So tomorrow is up.
Love you guys.
I need that horseshoe like Jay's got up his
Yeah, I mean,
Get it, Tamara. Come on. Oh, he's getting warmed up.
You're doing a great job.
GQS says the minor and the mini are hiding. They absolutely are. We need to break them loose. Come on, bonus!
Dang.
That was it. Good job. Good job. That's right. So where are we at? 192. So we have about 40.
I don't have the horseshoe.
Next time.
We're taking these guys to initiate them into the
I just hope we continue to be happy and healthy and continue to be able to come and check out this great city for a long time to come. Share it with all of you. Age is just a number. And we were also chatting about this the other day too. What you do for a living shouldn't define you either. People are a lot more, I don't know, what would be the term? They're a lot more diverse than just their job. But as Tamara and I were saying earlier, it seems like that's the number one people, or the two questions that people ask: how old are you and what do you do for a living? Neither one of those things define you. And continue being you, continue growing. I'm getting all philosophical here tonight. I don't know what's wrong with me. But if you're doing your own thing and you're not hurting anybody, you are cool with us, no matter what you're into. Obviously, a lot of you guys are into Vegas or you wouldn't be here watching this right now. Thank you so much. This hair is out of control from the wind. Again, we appreciate every single one of you in any way you supported us, watching us, giving us a thumbs up, giving us tips, helping us out. We're not perfect. We make a lot of mistakes. We're always learning, we're trying to improve. And again, you know, we still have regular jobs, regular lives, and we just try to bring this content to you whenever we can. And we'll end off with our little tagline. Be kind and rewind. That was for SBS, just joking. Be kind and keep Vegas on your mind. Thank you for joining us tonight. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you all again. Thanks for watching another one of our YouTube videos.
Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to put the notifications bell on for future videos.
Please follow us on Instagram at Vegas Best Ideas.
We post daily pictures and videos about the best places to eat in Vegas, things to do, and places to stay.
Take care, guys. See you soon.